What are we doing, Danny?
Putting a battery in Brute.
Why?
Because we're getting snow.
A Category 4 winter storm. Whatever the hell that means.
Well, there's already a half-inch outside.
Ah. Well, it looks like we're going to use this X-side battery again. It's usually the battery that sits inside of the 16, but I pulled it out so we could make sure that it's taken care of. Unfortunately, it's probably the best battery that we have right now. I think the other Fleet Farm battery is getting kind of tired and wore out. And the Napa battery that I have is, well, junk. That's like completely undebatable. Napa batteries never last more than a year. Fleet Farm batteries usually last a couple of years. And so far, what is this X-side? 3 years old?
I have no idea, Bill.
It should have a date on it. I don't know, I'm surprised. I'm completely surprised with the X-side battery. Huh. It never did get marked or engraved. I think it's about 3 years old, the X-side battery is here. But I think it's the best battery so far that we have, besides the one that's in Knocker. Knocker needs the best battery in the garage to even roll over because of that compression.
There's not enough juice in it. Knocker won't even turn.
Damn near need to put a truck battery on Knocker. But Brute here will fire up with a normal battery, and so far the X-side here is our best choice.
Did good all summer.
And
should do good all winter.
Yeah, it's so far it's showing the best signs of life compared to the other three, or other two. Really? Well, now that we're done with Danny's fiasco of dropping shit where we can't reach it in the dash, the battery is finally in. And I wonder if we're gonna have any juice for anything. Well, we got no lights, but I don't remember that they worked before. Oh, hey, that works.
A few moments later.
Well, how about we put some fuel in it? That'll help. Tighten up the belt. Now we'll put some fuel in it. And maybe then it'll start. What do you think, Danny?
I don't know. Maybe it'll be picky like Babe.
Well, it didn't give us too much hassle last winter. We didn't even have to plug in the block heater on it. That's probably enough fuel to get it started. That tank, I went and I resealed the inside of it really nice. God, that tank cleaned up really nice, and then Danny dumped fuel on it. Like a dingling so that the paint will start to peel.
There's a dirty rag somewhere around here to clean it up with.
Here. Well, now that we got some fuel down to the carburetor, which is rusty and nasty looking, I guess the carburetor might be a little junked up or something. Danny's gonna lube the choke cable because it's a little sticky. Get some on the other end of it too. Up here on the carburetor.
Hey, I'm trying to keep your nice dash clean, bro.
Yeah, well, good idea. No, not on the carburetor, on the choke cable. Let's see if it's ready to try. I don't think we're gonna have a one roll wonder like Knocker here. I think it's been sitting too long. Now what you doing, Danny?
Get the Knocker ready.
Why?
We're getting snow.
That and Brute wouldn't start. Brute is on the battery charger. So I'm gonna put the chains on Knocker and hope that Knocker starts tomorrow. Otherwise we'll just use jumper cables in the truck. My favorite jacks. It's always been a bottle jack.
It's always been the one thing reliable enough.
I have never come across a floor jack that has been reliable. Every one of them has been junk. Right. Well, anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And hopefully tomorrow we can bring you a video of both tractors running Oh, and Danny's piece of crap.
It was Grandpa's first.
Yeah. It was in better shape when Grandpa had it. Just saying.